Hi, this is Sambat from Civilworld 2.0. Today we are going to discuss about Autodesk Autocad Union, Subtract, Intersect, Interfere, Solid Converted to Surface, and Thicken tools. This channel is created only for technical professional and freshers in the construction industry. If you are the new viewer, please subscribe my channel and keep support my YouTube channel. If you are the fresher, this video for you to learn about Autodesk AutoCAD tools. Let's get started. I will show you one quickly example. So I will draw one rectangle and I will create one circle also here. So both are it is clashing. I will go to isometric view and I will use press pull or extrude command to create the 2D element to solid. So first I click the circle and I will give the value extracting height value it is 5 and I will change visual style and I will create one more solid from the rectangle, extrude. This is also I will give 7. So both element it is clashing now. So first option it is union. So union it is this location. If it is not visible this tools, go to here and select 3D modeling workspace. So first it is union. So select the union, select the two object, just enter. So this entire two element converted to single element, single solid. So I will redo, and next option it is subtract. So subtract, how it is working means first select any one element and enter, and select other element, enter. So it means, so second element it will cut always. I will show you again. So subtract, first I am selecting this rectangular view, solid view, and I will click circular. So you can see now it is cut. I will switch off grids. So this solid it is now cutted. So next option is intersect. So select both. It will show you the intersect object. Next option it is interface. I will select any one object and selected second object. I press the enter. So it will show this clash where it is clashing. So this tool works like that. Next option it is slice. I will select slice and I will select both objects and I press the enter, and the slicing location I'm going to specify here to here. So press enter means, so totally previously 2 elements, now 4 elements. You can see 4 solids. So like that it is sliced now. And the next option it is converting to 3D solid, converting to surface. So I will select this tool, converts to surface. So I will select one of the solid and enter. So now it is become a surface. One it is solid, one it is surface. So, and next option it is Thicken. So I will select this one and I will give the in some values. Example one I will give. So it will example offsetted. If you have any doubts, please comment me on comment section below. I will review your comment and I will upload your query related videos. Hope you enjoyed this session. Please support my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe and share to your friend circle. Thanks for watching. See you soon with other tutorials.